In this video I'm going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your Epson Workforce 3820 printer. This is the manual printhead cleaning. If you have already tried the automatic printhead cleaning and your printer is still not printing in a good quality, it's missing some ink, that means you need to clean the clogged printhead and we have to do it manually. Let's start the process. First step is to unlock the printhead. For that we can simply give a copy command, and once your printer starts to print, when the printhead is moving, unplug the power cable. Unplug now. Lift it from this side. So we can clearly see the printhead is unlocked. We can freely move it. So that means it is unlocked. There are two methods to do the manual printhead cleaning. The first option is just using a wet tissue, or you can also use a damp cloth for that. For example, I'll take one tissue. So I'm just using one tissue paper, spray some distilled water in it, place it, move it to the one side, that printhead, and just place it just underneath and move it over the tissue paper. From the other side you can take the tissue paper up to the middle, so just move it slowly. Next step is to move the tissue paper like this under the printhead. You can do it few times. If it breaks, you can just take it out. You can also use a damp cloth, but you will see once you do that, a lot of ink will come on this tissue paper. But normally this will work in case ink is clogged a little bit. If there is more ink that is clogged underneath, then we have to remove the printhead physically and then we have to clean it. So take the ink cartridges out. There is a lock here, press it once and take it out. In case the nozzles are blocked, you have to clean that. We have the access for the nozzles, you can clean them as well. Now the first step is to remove the top cover. If you move it on the one side, there is a lock here. So you just have to lift it and again move it here. On the other side, just on this side, there is a small hole and there is a lock on that. So if you press it, then you can lift it up. So that becomes easy. So now we can just take this plate off from here. Just remember, at the back of the plate there is a chip that goes here. Now if you want, you can remove it now, or you can just leave it like this on this side. So it's better if you don't touch it. Remove this plate that is here. Now there are 3 screws, we have to remove them. 1, 2, 3. So take them off one by one. Two. And that is the third one. Now our printhead is ready to take out. We can take out the printhead. Just lift it with this from here. Even on the other side it has one hook. So lift it from both sides, and once you grab it, you can just slowly take it out. So that's our print head, and we have to clean it. Take a wet tissue paper. You can just apply some water on it and then clean it gently like this. So you will see all the inks will start to unclog and show up here. Do it few times. Unless all the inks are showing up, you have to clean it. Once you see all the inks, that means your print head is unclogged and it's ready to print. Now we can put it back. So it depends how much ink is clogged. It may be a lot, maybe less. Now just let it go in. In this way you can just unclog the print head. You can also replace or repair it. Let's put the screws. So I'll start from here. If you do manual print head cleaning, it always saves the ink. That is the second screw. So we just put the screws back. Next is to put this plate. So put it from the one side and then goes for another. So it is locked now. It's important to put this plate because it holds this section. Now place it back. Let's place it here. All these chips go beside this. So it is locked. Last thing is to put your ink cartridges. You can start with the black or any color. Place them one by one. Close this section. Plug in the power cable. Go to the printer display panel. Click on the dismiss. Scroll ahead and click on the maintenance. Do print head cleaning. This is the manual print head cleaning. It will flush some ink and your printer will start to work normal. So click on the start button. It will take around 2 minutes for that. Next step is to just do the nozzle check. Click on the check, print. Here we can see the print quality. So it has started to print. Print head is unclogged. Everything is working. Now select the correct option here. So we don't need any more cleaning and we can resume our printing. So this way we can do the printhead cleaning manually. We can also replace it, repair it, or unclog it. Thanks for watching.